Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss the next focus area of solid state. That is, usually it is questions will come up from this topic, that is magnetic properties. We have to study about 5 magnetic properties. So, names I have written, we can look each one in detail. Okay, first one it is paramagnetic, diamagnetic, ferromagnetic, antiferromagnetic and ferrimagnetic. So this part is an important topic from solid state. So first one we can study. Okay, so first one paramagnetic. That means you have seen like this we will denote in SPD block in that chapter you have studied, right? For SP we will denote like this, electron pairs can be denoted like this, right? So here in this if you have seen any unpaired electron, this is one single unpaired electron is there, right? Sometimes you can see two unpaired electrons. That is, if anyone is unpaired, then such it will show paramagnetic property. Okay, that is, if this is called spin up, this is spin down. That means an electron will be revolving around a nucleus, right? So if this is the electron, this is revolving in this direction, this is electron, so it will have a magnetic moment like this. An electron will be revolving around the nucleus, as well as an electron will spin around its own like this. If a single electron, it will be spinning like this. In this direction it will be spinning, then its magnetic moment will be up. That is why we are denoting two directions. If it is revolving in opposite direction like this, then we have the magnetic moment in downward direction. That is, this is called what? Spin up, and this is spin down. That is we are representing here. Okay. So if any one unpaired if you see, then it is paramagnetic. Then one more property, first property you can write, one unpaired electron is there, right? Unpaired you can see. Next one, it will be weakly attractive. When we place this in magnetic field, in external magnetic field, it will be weakly attractive. These are the 2 points you have to remember about paramagnetic. Weakly attractive you can write. It will be weakly attractive. Fine. So what will be diamagnetic? Second one, what it was? Diamagnetic. Diamagnetic, from the name itself you can remember it. Dia means what? Two, right? That is, everything will be paired. In diamagnetic, if you can draw and show like this, everything will be paired. Nothing unpaired you can't see. You can see. So you can write it as everything will be paired. And other property, it will be just reverse. It will be weakly repulsive. Okay. In diamagnetic if we place an external magnetic field, it is what is showing, it is weakly repulsive. Okay. So for paramagnetic, these 2 points you can remember, and for diamagnetic, these 2 points. Just opposite. Fine. Now next, ferromagnetic property. Now third one, what it was? Ferromagnetic, right? Ferromagnetic substances. Such substances, they will show strong magnetic property. That is the first point. They are strong magnetic property they will show. Magnetic property. What does it mean? That is, even if we place that substance in external magnetic field, it has strongly magnetic property. Even if we remove that external field, it will retain that property. That is, even if we remove the external field, it will retain this magnetic property. Okay, that point you cannot. So this is the second point you can note it as, that is, even if the external magnetic field is removed, it shows that magnetic property. Then one more thing you have to remember this. The collection of magnetic moment, that is known as what domain. A domain will have so many magnetic field aligned in different direction. Okay, when we put this domain of this magnetic moments in an external magnetic field, it will be aligned in a particular manner. If the substance is ferromagnetic, all this will be arranged like this. In the same manner it will be arranged. That is one more point you have to remember under this ferromagnetic substance. Clear? Now next is antiferromagnetic. So fourth one, it was what? Antiferromagnetic. Antiferromagnetic substances. Here also the arrangement you need to remember, that is the domain is called what? The collection of magnetic moment is called the domain, and it will be of different direction. Once we put this domain in external magnetic field, if it is antiferro substance, then its alignment will be somewhat like this. That does not, if we cancel out, same will, opposite will cancel out, right? Everything will get cancelled out. Like that arrangement they will form. That means what? That point is important. Their net magnetic moment will be zero. Net magnetic moment is what? Here zero, because everything will cancel. That is a point you have to remember under antiferromagnetic. Fine, and the last one. Fifth one, it is what? Ferromagnetic. Actually, ferromagnetic substance, it is shows the property between ferromagnetic and antiferromagnetic. That is, it won't cancel everything. Its arrangement after, if we place this domain, it will be somewhat, not everything will get cancelled. If we cancel like this, this is not cancelling, right? Not everything will get cancelled. That is, the net magnetic moment is not zero in ferromagnetic substance. So what point we will not note? This substances, it comes between which one? Antiferro and ferromagnetic substance. Antiferro and ferro, like that you can denote. Okay. Clear? So your magnetic properties, 5 magnetic properties you have to remember: paramagnetic, diamagnetic, ferromagnetic, antiferro and ferromagnetic substances. And one more thing I missed, that is, like this antiferro, in diamagnetic also the net magnetic moment will be zero. You can include that point also. That is in diamagnetic. That is, everything is paired, right? So here also the net magnetic moment will be zero in diamagnet also. Similarly, in antiferromagnetic, the net magnetic moment is zero. So hope it is clear. So next class we can continue. Till then, bye. Magnetic properties notes with examples are given here. You can refer these notes while studying. It will be useful. Okay, thank you.